The best time to prune a pear tree. Popular pear trees such as the Bartlett and Bosc are often grown in the home garden for their delicious flavor. Their stunning, spring-blooming flowers emerge in profusion in early spring and are followed by the fruit. Grown for their fruit crop, they also make an attractive ornamental specimen tree. Maintain a regular pruning plan to ensure the tree does not become overgrown and to keep the plant looking tidy. Planting. Pear trees tolerate a wide range of soil varieties but do not tolerate poorly drained soil. They require full sunlight and sandy soils to thrive. Plant the pear tree in early spring and before new growth begins to ensure a successful establishment. Pruning. Prune the pear tree in later winter, before new growth begins. Begin pruning the young tree to control its form and develop well-balanced and strong branches. Thin out pear trees in summer and remove all suckers that grow from the base of the tree. Fertilization. Fertilize young pear trees with a balanced garden fertilizer such as 10-10-10. Every spring, apply the fertilizer in a 2-foot circle around each tree to prevent fertilizer burn. If you suspect a blight problem, use little to no fertilizer until the problem is resolved.